Have you ever wanted a cool new leather baking glove so you could make fresh tortillas on the griddle or bake pumpkin pies in the oven? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make one. A glove, that is. You can download this pattern in the link provided below. Thank you so much for watching my video on how to make this baking glove slash whatever you want it to be. Hope you crush the food competition with your new leather baking glove. If you want something like this but you don't have the time and you do have the money, you can always go to Harbor Freight and buy some welding gloves for $5 a pair. Just made my video useless. For my next video that I'm going to be coming out with, I made this disc golf bag and I made a time lapse of me building it. It was very frustrating, but that should make for a better video to watch, so watch it.